Hey ladies, so I'm here to bring you another wig unboxing. Today I have a lace front wig by Freetress. So this is the Freetress Equal Lace Invisible L part, and the color one be Orange Blossom. So as you can see on the stock part, it's like a straighter hairstyle with kind of wavy curls to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so that you guys can check out this brand new wig. What I'm gonna do before I cut off the lace is show you guys the lace edge, just a couple inches of lace edge, and then here is the lace part. It's a very deep part, which does give you a little bit of flexibility, and it is about maybe a little less than an inch wide. There are clips in the middle, on the side, adjustable straps, and then a clip in the back, so it should be pretty secure. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on just so I can take a look at it before I do anything to it. I think it looks really nice. It looks like a sew-in to me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and then I'll be right back with the wig. So I literally am already feeling this wig. It's so cute. But what I am gonna do to make this wig look a little bit more natural is I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer in the part. I feel like that always makes your wig look a little bit more natural when the part is like the same color as your skin. I will say that the lace on this wig was very soft. It's not really hard lace, and so far it isn't itchy. So that is really, really good, because like the harder the lace is, the more likely it is to scratch like up your forehead or whatever. All right, so I've grabbed some concealer. It's just some random CoverGirl concealer I got on sale. So I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna dip this brush. I don't have a fine tooth brush, so we're just gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna dip this brush in the concealer, and then I'm gonna put it kind of roughly in the part area. It doesn't have to be perfect. It can be a little bit off, because you can rub in like the extra concealer into like the roots of the hair, which kind of gives it a natural look. And what the extra concealer do for the parts that get on like the actual hair, it'll just kind of blend in. But you want to make sure you get all the way down to the front, and you don't want to put too much concealer in, because then it will start looking fake. So for the parts where it got on the hair, I'm just gonna rub it so it blends in with the hair, which actually never hurts for extra concealer in my opinion, because like I said, it blends right in with the hair, and it makes it a little bit more natural looking if the part isn't just like perfectly parted. If it's like on the hair a little, to give it a little bit more texture. So just gonna go back over what I just did towards the front, because that's where I want my parts to be a little bit more defined. And then you just kind of rub it in. That would just give your part more of a, because when you part your real hair, most of the time, this hair is just all in my face. Most of the time, it's not like a perfect straight part, so it doesn't necessarily have like a 100% perfect look. So that's why you kind of just rub it into the hair. All right, so final thoughts on this wig. I think this wig looks really, really pretty. It literally was basically take it out and go. So I did not pluck the part. The only thing that I did do was cut off the lace. I did not create any like hairline or baby hairs or anything like that. Literally all I did was cut off the lace and put a little bit of concealer in the part. As you can see with the part, so I have the concealer in it, and the part looks pretty natural. I literally only put the concealer in, I think I did 2 pass-bys with just the brush, just blotting it in on the one side, and it looks pretty good. It looks pretty natural to me. I probably wouldn't do too much more with it, because I don't feel like you can see the knots or that it looks super gritty, so that is a really good thing. The wig also lays really, really flat, so as you can see, this is like the wig right here. It's laying really flat to my head. It's not a lot of movement to it as far as like if I tug on the hair. So the wig will move a little, but As you can see, it's like a pretty snug fit, so it's not constantly moving as I am pulling on it. So that is really good. That means that you don't have to do too much to secure it. You don't have to worry about your wig flying around or coming off. I just have the 2 combs in right here, and then the 1 comb in the back to secure it. I also feel like the hair looks really nice. It already naturally like has really nice like layers to it, and it has really nice body to it. So it has all these pretty curls. They're a little wayward right now because I haven't even brushed the wig. I just did some simple finger combing to kind of loosen it up and get it to be like just a little bit, like to bring out the layers basically. So like I said, the layers are really good. And when I finger combed it, it wasn't tangled. It was not shedding excessively. It is a silkier wig hair texture. So it does have a really nice sheen to it. It looks really pretty. And I mean, I just can't get over how good this wig looks. Like, to me, it literally looks like it could be a sew-in and not a wig. But, you know, it's better than the sew-in because I can take it off every night, so I don't have to worry about taking care of it at night, which is like the ultimate plus for wigs for me. So it looks like a sew-in. I mean, some people might even think it's their real hair because it lays so flat. So for me to have like a really natural looking hairline, I just leave out a little bit of my baby hair. So I push this side back just a little just to have my hair out. I already had some edge control in my hair from earlier, so I haven't done anything special to my edges since this morning. But I like to tuck one like part of it behind my ear and then leave one side out. I think it looks really nice. It's a pretty long wig. It's probably about waist length, the hair. It has a really beautiful curl pattern. So overall, I just think the wig looks really pretty. I do think that it is a very basic kind of wig as far as if you're a beginner in getting wigs, it's a good wig to get because you don't have to do a lot of customization to it, which I know can be hard because I have tried to customize a wig and I have ruined it. So for this one, with it being, you can just cut the lace edge, I can put a little concealer in a part and it looks good. That is a huge plus in my book. You can pretty much get it at any retailer online. If I can find where I bought it, I'll put it across the screen. I'm pretty sure it's Sam's Beauty, but I'm not 100% sure of the price. But the wig is just really pretty. I really like this wig. Like, I'm just really feeling it. I think that it's like, I don't know. But I don't wear a lot of straight hair wigs lately. Lately, I've been doing a lot of curly wigs, so it's like a big change up. It takes me back to when I like first started wearing wigs, when I tried out the Freetress January. I think Freetress has really nice straight hair because they wigs, like January was my boo until I messed her up because it's my first wig, so I was doing the most. But yeah, so, and I will put the link in the video if you want to check out Freetress January. That's another great Freetress like straight wig that is really good for beginners. But overall, I think that the orange blossom is really pretty. I think she looks really gorgeous. Like, even with like the few tangles I got from it getting tangled in my necklace, I think that she's detangling easily. The curls look really nice. It has really nice body. Like, it literally, just look at that. So I would definitely recommend it because I'm just literally obsessed with playing in it right now. So I'm gonna stop so that I can go play in my wig, honestly. So I am gonna stop. But yeah, I really hope that you like this video. If you have any questions or if you have any wig suggestions, please drop them below in the comment section. Please don't forget to leave that like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have an amazing day.